Hi guys, it's me Francesca and today we're going to make some slime and I'm going to make again. So you'll be needing your something to mix in, something to mix with, your glue, as you can see, and the last you'll need your power gel. So let's get started to make this slime. And this also look like if you make it. So stretchy. And you can see. And my finger is patterned that it's going to smell. So yeah, this is how it should look like. So let's get started. So let's put the glue. Sorry. Sorry for that sound. And oh my god. You can see that's the glue. Try to get it. And my glue is going to. Yep. This is already good, so try to put it up. And I'm going to try to put this. Okay. Okay. So that's good. So let's mix it up. Actually, as you can see, it's not slime, and if you touch it, see, it's not going to make up slime. So don't come at it. And as you can see that. So we need to put your power gel. So let's put. Then don't put too much, like that. Okay. And if you mix it, as you can see, the one is going to slime. Okay, that's good. And I didn't know I make this slime with the this Ariel. So mix it up. Oh my god, oh, some sticky. Okay. Okay. It's hard. Oh my god. It's going home. I think I put too much. Yeah, I think I put too much. No. You need to mix it. Okay. We need to make a slime. Actually, as you can see, guys, that's going to jelly. But you need to put this too much glue or more glue. But my glue is nothing. There you go. You can see I put it with glue. Let's try to mix. Oh, there you go. That's going to slime. If you think, guys, your slime is not doing good, and if you touch it, that's if you think that is have a too much the power gel or your detergent, you need to put it more glue and don't put again your power gel because that is going to fail. And if you need your and if you put it glue, that's going not to pain. And make sure you will be needing the glue is white glue. So let's mix it up. And these I'm going to slime. As you can see, it's not sticking. The one. Mix it. Well, actually, guys, I make slime. This is my second to make slime. So it's not, that's, you can touch it and it's not sticky. But just a little bit the sticky. You need to mix these, all of these, guys. Make sure, guys, you don't have like that sticky. So you need to mix it. Start to mix it up and touch the air container. You see this not slime. And that's how it should look like, and it's like sticky. This is just a little bit sticky, so you need to mix it up like that. You can see, oh, we make this slime. Try to mix more. Oh yeah, it's not sticky. I want to touch it, guys, but it's going like that. And you can make your slime. I make this after, before I make, after I make this slime, make this one. This is so big and this one is so small. So I try to mix it. I have the super big slime. I try to put it more detergent. Okay, put it. And then we can make your fluffy slime. And see. This is really cool. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Just bye.